your windshield is like this, disregard the dirt. Okay, it's been snowing here so much I can't even keep up. But yeah, so I took it off already, but all you have to do is pull your windshield wiper, your rear windshield wiper back, and look at the one I have. See the hook? This is mine. This is how mine is. Everybody's is different, so, and make sure yours fits whatever you're buying. Make sure you do your research first. So all you have to do is literally, look, put it straight. There's a hook. Just make sure you hook it in there. You just pull back. So I put it straight first, and then I pull it back. I make sure it's on the hook. It's hooked already, so I just push it back, and it went in. It's literally in, guys. That's it. Bam, bam, bam. And that way we can see how it works. Look, guys. I did it. I'm so freaking proud of myself just now. That's it.